In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Microsoft Edge browser to use a specific profile when opening external links. This can be especially handy if you happen to switch between different user profiles, say for work and personal use, and want to keep things organized and streamlined. So let's dive right in and start by opening your Microsoft Edge browser. Go ahead and locate the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar, and simply click on that to get started. Once your browser is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see three little dots stacked vertically. This is what we'll refer to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu filled with various options you can explore. From this list, go ahead and select the Settings option. You might notice a whole new tab opens up specifically for settings. This is where all the customization happens. Now take a look at the left-hand side of this new settings page. There's a column of options here, but the one we're interested in is labeled Profiles. Click on Profiles, and this will lead you to your profile settings. Basically, profiles in Edge are like different user IDs. You can set up profiles for different scenarios, like one for work, one for personal use, or even one for shared family usage. Within the Profile Settings page, you want to stay focused on finding profile preferences. Don't worry if you haven't heard this term before. It's really just an area where you can determine how your profile interacts with various elements or content opened externally. Click on Profile Preferences, and we're almost done with the setup. As you scroll through the Profile Preferences, keep an eye out for the option labeled Default Profile for External Links. This is the main feature we want to configure today. When you find it, you'll notice a drop-down menu located on the right side of the screen. Click on this drop-down menu, and here you will see a list of all the profiles you currently have set up in Microsoft Edge. What you need to do next is choose which profile you would like to use by default when opening external links. It's really just a matter of clicking on the option that best suits your needs. This way, every time you click on a link that opens in your browser from another application, Edge will automatically know which profile to use. And that's it. You've now successfully set up Microsoft Edge to use a default profile for external links, making your browsing experience much more organized. Thanks for following along, and I hope this has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace.